how to connect PS5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi. So here's what you want to do. You want to go into your settings. So click on settings, and then we gotta go into network. So choose network. Now here you will see your connection status. You want to go into settings actually. So settings, and then you want to make sure this is toggled on and set up internet connection. Now from here you should find your Xfinity Wi-Fi connection. If you don't find it, what you can do is scroll all the way down until you see these two options: set up using the WPS button or set up manually. So if you click on set up manually here, you can choose either to use a cable or Wi-Fi. We're using Wi-Fi for this, and you can use the WPS pin method. So you gotta enter the following pin on the access point, and if you enter that pin on your Xfinity router, it should work. And also you can enter it manually here. If you know all of your information for your Xfinity Wi-Fi, you can just enter it here and do it that way. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.